ayano na loli Igwe Butuzor kalakwa mono Biafra Butuzor umunna mala Biafra kalakwa mono umunna de hamana masya kalakwa mono ayano na loli Igwe Butuzor pasum ko bosita mana ya namma ame information na enweta dịka ndị ji aha m were na-eme ọtụtụ sibu ka onye memere so onye debere onye memere ya beziri nwa gọọmenti and otu gọọmenti ahụ ka anyị kwụkwa ndị otu ala ji ka a na-achụrụ efi si biko onye mụrụ ọbụla bezi anyị aka ya ngwa ka anyị nwere ihe anyị na-eme na-aga aga na Butuzor beziri na nwa gọọmenti and Butuzor belivuru ka Biafra were bịa and mbọ m onwe m na-agba ụka ihe niile anyị na-eme ka ọ na-enwe isi si biko na Butuzor anọ ha na propaganda government him now na USB government one mind one Biafra and the total alaja ka na jurefi because for those of you and then they use aham and then I think I dead and then they kun gale ekwu kan na no Butuzor na Butuzor ada we ya abakwa ne kem ti abakwa ne kem dere so him na lo wa ko Biafra ka Biafra we bia so because I come se kan kawaron I can se kan koron kwa uzimaru ko yuntu anyu kwaka ko yanta aka we must fight to get Biafra we must fight to restore Biafra which na yeme megule yeme and they believe them they declare great state of Biafra so in hama geru nwoke geru nwa kemeru gwem and so the KBM na arebo udo doro na yamaka on a contribution on the guys a man and cash go down when a man cash the mawred come to around York we move forward we came here contingency said other baram other babaron women on ground I go on as to see I go Biafra and Azo. So we ensure that we must get Biafra. So na Butuzor anakwa leben eji aha ma akọ ememe ihe m ghọtara eji aha ma akọ but ihe ma onye ọbụla sọrọ ya bụrụ ji aha m wa na-ekwu nke a ga-ekwesị ya biko ya stop ya waba afa biko so that all one chain and command one order we must follow one order the copy of Muslim one chain and command so udo drone ndị one that's the no more Butuzor's back again.
Okay, what did he say at the end? Excuse me, he said Butuzor is back again. Just hold on.
Ndị one that's the no more Butuzor's back again.
Okay, so welcome back to my channel. So I decided to start this video. I decided to start with it, and I have my reason. So welcome back to my channel. Please, I want to use this opportunity to encourage you to like this video. If you have not been clicking on my like, on the like button in any of my video, this particular video that we are listening to now, okay, this video, no matter what you are doing, just click on the like button. Please do that. It is for our own good. Some of you have seen most of my videos where I said don't attack men on ground. Even if you are angry, you don't like what they're doing, okay, maybe not what they're representing these few months or few weeks, what they have done and decided choose and everything. I have told us don't attack them. Channel your anger to Asayayok. I said it here many times. Not that I hate Ogenkere as an individual, but I hate what he's doing. Not even Chamaga that brought egg and wrote my name and start doing incantation and all these voodoos. I don't even hate him. I don't wish him to buy. But if you want me to buy, he will buy. Just like every other person, whether I know or I don't know. Once you are working to make sure that you break me down, and every genuine Biafran that our hands are clean, you are working to bring them down, you yourself will go down. That's my prayer, openly and secretly. So I'm not the kind of person that like to say something off point. Anyway, this revelation or this video, many people are jubilating, are happy. People are very, very happy. Biafrans, yes, you deserve to be happy. Everybody should be happy, right? We are not happy because we want to see the tears of anybody. We are happy because truth is like a pregnant mother. Once it gets to 9 months, the child will start agitating to come out. And I have to thank all of you for your, for your resilience, for your time that you have devoted in everything to make sure that you stand on the side of the truth. See, this is not a battle, internal battle or hatred on anybody. Like I said, I don't want the joy, the celebration or happiness to carry you away. In fact, like me, I'm not celebrating. I'm not even having this kind of special joy. I am happy, but I'm not like all over the moon. Why? I want to see everything start working. I hate to be cajoked, like everything has been these few days. So having said that, he says something that he's not aware of people using his name. People using his name to do one or two things. And that brings me to Commander Royce. I'm going to do a video because yesterday I said something, I read his post, and most of you on my comments are saying, you are right. Yeah, you are right. You are right that what he said, that Igbos are stubborn. I will do another video after this just to address you people on that one. Okay? But I myself, I am aware that people are using his name to do all this nonsense. I am aware of it. If I tell you that I'm not aware, that means not that I'm aware that I have intel, but I'm the kind of person that if I read your words, if I watch what you're saying, I can connect it. If you know me, you know. You can testify to that. People are using his name. When Royce, for example, started using C. Royce, meaning Commander Royce, aka Igwe Butuzor, he's aware that Butuzor is not on social media. I told us that I believe that Commander Butuzor is aware that Royce is doing what he's doing. Why? Because since you can hear his audio, I was thinking that he's also watching what Royce is doing. And I cannot think that Royce is not a commander. I still believe that he's a commander because this account have been functioning even when PM is here. If it were to be fake, then maybe PM would have stopped that kind of thing. But if PM allowed it, knowing fully that he's not a commander, that means something is wrong somewhere, which I doubt is PM knows that he's not a commander. So I don't want to start dragging, oh, he's Butuzor, he's not Butuzor, no. But the thing is that I felt that since he's using Butuzor and what he's saying and all that, and when you listen to what Holy Ghost said, you can connect the dots. But having listened to what Butuzor said now, Butuzor is aware of the two sides. He's aware, but he's not aware of the propaganda going on. I don't think he's aware. And Royce and the Holy Ghost may be aware of that one. And that's why they're representing, everything, like they're the one bringing the agenda of Sonak Barawa and Ogenkere. So let us get it right. Let us get it right. So some of you are saying that, because I have to thank most of you, all of you that have reached out to me on my WhatsApp, that send this message to my WhatsApp, and some of you want me to, validate it, that is true or not. The one thing I have to tell you is that this audio that I just played now is Butuzor. That is the voice that I use, that I have listened. I have played his video, his voice here in the past. He is the Butuzor, no other person. He is the one. And what he said at end is to let you know that he's back. He's back to the mandate of the people. And watch out how people is going to support him. That love that Biafra have for him will go with double. it will go times 10. Why you need to like this video? For some people who are telling you that US is this and that and that and that, I will tell you something on this video that I've not said before. Because one thing about these people is that they know that what they're doing is not the right thing. They are aware. But they thought they're doing it to harm or to cajole or to insult COS. Therefore, everything that stands on the way, they'll have to pull it down. Most of these women that are shouting like Petty, is it, what's the name of that lady? That I got why. Is it Petty? Petty, I think Petty, right? Most of these women, Joy Roby and rest of them, what they are doing is personal hatred and personal issue, problem they have with US. Not because of Biafra, not because of Biafra at all. The hate, like I can tell you that, the hate and what they're telling, why they are focusing on attacking her is just because they hate her. And one of the reasons why they hate her is jealousness. I'm not telling you, this is my own opinion, okay? I just want you to don't see it as an attack, as a problem, but for you, for your own benefit, for your own knowledge, because you are part and parcel of it. Other man, other man again, other than other man again. Or come on, I got why so to stand on a part of the truth and tell yourself the truth is always the best thing to do. Always the best thing to do. One of the reasons why they are going after her, why they hate her so much, is because of her achievement. Some of you don't know that CS CS pushover, like personal achievement in life. She's there. Okay, the information that somebody sent to me, she's not, because they said, oh, psychiatric hospital. She's not working for anybody. That's her own clinic. She owns that firm. That's her own. You know what that means. And it's not one, it's two. She have two. This is the one in the public. You don't know another thing that she's can these people, if they have one of the thing that US have, they will not come here to do Biafra with you. Most of them. Some of them are doing Biafra, dragging position because they want to get to the level of CS. Just like PM and US. They are looking for a job to work in a firm like PM firm, not even to own it. If they can see anyone that is going to employ, that can employ them in PM firm, they will be glad. They will go to Thanksgiving. But PM own it. This is his own. So sometime in life, people may hate you because of who you are, not because of what you represent or the good thing that you are defending. But they just want to see you down. That's all. Whether you are good, they want to see you down. So, are you going to allow that kind of thing to happen? That's the question. Why must we just ignore the truth and focus on irrelevant stuff? Now that Butuzor is here, what a coincidence. Biafra Unite came up yesterday, which I have reacted on that. And please go and watch that very, very well. What I said there is not an attack on Biafra Unite, but to expose the secret agenda behind the move. Are you getting the point? And they expect them to reinforce Ogenkere and their group. They will come back to discredit and maybe to convince Butuzor again. That's why I said don't rejoice, don't allow your joy to be there. Just wait for a while. Let's see how the whole thing will end. But as of this video and this audio that you're circulating on social media, I can tell you categorically clear that is Butuzor. That is what it is. And he made his stand. Pure. You can't tell me another thing. He made his stand. This is what we have been looking for. This is what we have been hoping for. To stop all these people that their own is to raise dust. Some of you may say, yeah, okay, so Biafra Unite may be aware of it. That's why he said anybody that. I don't think so. I still don't think so. Let's just wait, like I said, and we'll see the end of it and how the whole thing will play out. Please like the video and tell me what you think about what he's saying, what is going on now, your own take on that. We are going to deliberate this, again, but this is my first reaction to that audio. And Why you need to like the video, like I said, for the video, this video to get to many people, because a lot of people are siding Ogenkere because they believe that they have army, without knowing that the army they have is just on the surface, just to deceive. You know that they are men. People, it's not, see, this isn't about battle between Ogenkere and CSO. It's about the mandate of people. If Biafran don't trust CS will be irrelevant. The same thing with Ogenkere, but he knows that what he's doing is irrelevant. But he's still digging and forcing people to that. We are not from the beginning of this world. Igbos are, you can't force Igbos to something. You can't. If people have tried it in bad, it's not gonna work. Mention one Igwe, one village today that their Igwe is being forced on them, and that there's peace in that community. Even if they don't have anything, Igwe will just be, just ceremonial Igwe. People are not gonna love him, pay attention to what he says. He will be living. He's not gonna even come back home to, rule like as Igwe. If you know, you know. This is what I have to say, about it. And God bless you all. And please, like I said, like the video and comment. Tell me your own take on this. Very, very important. See you again. Bye bye for now.